So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone suddenly has randomly stopped working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main thing you want to do is to just make sure that your particular Android phone is completely charged. Sometimes your Android phone might not be charged at all, and that is basically the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and charge up your phone. So go through, grab the charger, plug it into the bottom of your particular device, and all you're going to want to do is go ahead and charge up this phone. That is without a doubt the first thing I'd recommend doing, and for a lot of people, for a vast majority of people, that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that still doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is to go through and try turning on your phone. Sometimes you might just have to hold down the power button or the side button of your device to go ahead and randomly just kind of get it into gear. So hold down the side button, hold down the power button to basically power it up, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you. Because like I said, for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you as well. If that still doesn't work, you might want to go ahead and see if there is some sort of like battery problem or battery issue going on with your device. If your phone is like randomly not working, and that basically means that your device is essentially like software is having issues or whatever, you might want to try going through and powering up your phone, seeing if it even turns on at all, and as fast as you can, go inside of your settings application, scroll down to your software update panel, and try software updating your phone as fast as you can. Sometimes you might just have to do that. If it's still not working, you might want to contact your phone manufacturer, and see if they can go ahead and fix your phone from there. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.